Hi, I'm Mike Romero, the UDOT Project Director for US 89. Our team is working hard on the design of the project, which will reconstruct and repave a 9-mile section of US 89 from Main Street in Fruit Heights to I-84 in Uinta. During the environmental study of the project, we heard a lot of feedback about 3 major topics: road height, noise, and views. Based on that feedback, we spent the past year refining the design to make it the right fit for the community. We have already made some major changes. Earlier this year, we announced that US 89 will cross under local streets to reduce the overall visual impacts of the bridges and walls. Next week, on May 21st, we're hosting an update open house so that people, especially residents and property owners along US 89, can come talk to the project team and see how the design changes may affect them. Following the open house, we'll share the answers to the most frequently asked questions. We'll also continue to post updates on our email list and in our Facebook group, so please stay in touch. We realize that not everybody has the time to come meet with us, so we are also making the design and meeting materials available here online. As you click through, you'll learn more about things like our new frontage roads, project phasing and schedule, interchange design, and noise walls, to name a few. You can also access the most up-to-date version of the project design. Your input and feedback have been extremely valuable and will continue to play a critical role in the success of the project. So please take a look at the materials and learn about this project that will keep Utah moving now and into the future.